What's up, you guys? It's Jen, aka Lady Rebel here. I just got this huge box of stuff from Indian Motorcycle and I want to show you what's inside. So let's take a look. Let's get started. So I wrote everything down so I remember what it is so I can tell you exactly what the items are that I have in my box. I will also link everything down below so that you know which products I received. First up, we have the women's casual bomber jacket. I opened everything up and took it out of the plastic so that you don't have to watch me open that because that would be really boring. But I haven't tried anything on yet, so I'm excited to do that. Here's the first one, the bomber jacket. Love that it has just a subtle Indian Motorcycle Company branding there. Very thick, seems like it'd be very warm. Let's try it on. This one is a size large. I will also give you guys my, all of my little measurements, I guess, so that you know what size I am and what size I got. I'm usually a medium, but they didn't have a medium in this jacket, so. Are these pockets? Oh yeah, little button pockets here. Cute. Cute. Cute, I like it. It's comfy. I'm gonna take it off though because it's like 1,000,000 degrees in Las Vegas already. So, women's bomber jacket, love it. Next, we have the women's merino zip through in gray. I'm super excited about this one. Nice and soft. Just has a little logo in the back, cute. It's got the little thumb holes. Oops, oh, that's just the tag. With the little baby safety pin, it's so cute. Soft, ooh, very soft, I like this. My problem being tall, I'm 5'10", is that it's hard for me to find sleeves that fit, especially when I'm riding, but these are nice. My hand can't really fit through the thumb hole comfortably, but when it's not in the thumb hole, I like it. Little motorcycle there, little logo there. Very, very soft. I like this. Very nice. Okay, for this next one, I was really excited when this line came out. It is the Honoring Heroes collection, and I got the camo hoodie for women. Here it is. Yes. Love that they came out with this line, this collection. Love. Got the little patch, very soft, but not, it's light, not too heavy. And I love that they did this on their hoodies, is the little pocket in the front. They put zippers so that when you're riding, if you're riding with this on, nothing falls out of your pocket, which I think that is genius. Got the little Indian Motorcycle patch there, little camo hood, part of the Honoring Heroes collection. And I have two other things that came from the Honoring Heroes collection. I got the long sleeve. This is really soft too. Oh my goodness. You want to see what it looks like without the tag hanging in front of it. And this guy, like a little 3/4 sleeve baseball tee type of thing. Cute, love it. Next up, I got another bomber jacket. It is also called the Casual Bomber. And this one I got in medium because I had a medium size. And that's the only branding that's on this jacket. Very nice, subtle. It's got both snaps and a zipper. This one, ooh, it's got a little pocket on the inside. A little hidden pocket. Oh, I like that too. It's got Indian motorcycle on the inside. Not that anybody sees that, but I do, so. This one has zipper pockets. Nice. I like it. What do we have in here? Ooh, women's casual soft shell jacket. This guy. I like that it's a little bit more form-fitting, like how women's clothing should be. I love that. So I used to get some items from Indian before, Indian Motorcycle, and the fit was never right. It was always like the clothing was too short, or it was very boxy. It just wasn't flattering. So I'm super excited that they have a line of clothing that is better now. It just fits better, it looks better, and it's just more flattering for women. All the guys stuff is great, I love it. But the women's stuff, it was just never appealing to me. And I love all of these pieces that I have so far. So I am glad that there is new merchandise that is more form-fitting and better looking on women, because we deserve nice clothes too. Ooh, this is nice. I know I've said that about everything, but it's true. Nice and long. Yeah, ooh, I like that. The contrast sleeve hoodie sweatshirt. So I have other contrast sleeve hoodies from Indian. I have one other one, and it's so soft and so comfortable, and I can just wear it all the time. Doesn't have to be while I'm riding, just can be, you know, day-to-day activities, stuff like that. So, because they're so comfortable. Again, with the zipper pocket, so that if you're riding and you're wearing the sweatshirt, your things won't fall out of your pocket. I love it. Love, love, love. Oh, there's a bee. Oh! This is different than all the other items that I got, but I thought, let's give it a try. It is the women's navy long sleeve performance tee. Let's try it on. So in Vegas, it gets very hot, in case you didn't know, if you've never been here. It is the end of April right now, and it's already in the 90s. I know you others from other coasts are a little bit jealous. Ooh, I like this. Nice and long. Comfortable. Fits nicely. Yeah, very nice. So what I have next is accessories. I got a hat, some sunglasses, and some shoes. So let's take a look. These are comes in a very nice case. These guys has Indian on the side. I should probably take these little stickers off before I put them on. Well, I'll take them off later. Ooh, Oh, my hair. What do you think? Sometimes I'm picky when it comes to hats, but when I saw this one, I thought it would be perfect. Sometimes it's hard to find like the flex fit that fits just right, or like the bill looks weird, or it's not adjustable. So this guy has a little adjustable thing there. Oh, which I need to adjust. Let's give that a try. I like it. I made it too big now though. Gotta find just right. Whoops. There we go. Can't. And, oh, I was gonna say last but not least, but I actually have two more things. So, all right, you ready for these? These are the women's Bryant sneaker. Maybe. Ooh. Look at these babies. Yeah. Very nice. And last but not least, this is cool. I love this. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all of your support. I'm so excited to utilize these items that I got from Indian Motorcycle. If you liked what you saw, be sure to click the subscribe button. I am just getting started on YouTube and getting my stuff up and running. So I appreciate all of your support, and I want to thank you so much for watching. See you next time.